It's summertime, the kids are out of school, and for most of us, it means it's time for summer vacation. One important thing that you need to remember on vacation is not just to remember who's going to take care of the pets or who's picking up the mail. You want to also think about, what about my plants and containers? And if it's not going to rain while I'm out of town, have you ever considered asking your neighbor to water your plants? I know I do. I'm a horticulturist, but I want to make certain that all of my plants are taken care of while I'm gone. And one way to do that is to have them set up on irrigation, especially container plants. And what's great is today there are timers that you can operate from your phone. So while you're out of town at the beach, you think about it, you say, we haven't gotten any rain. While you're checking that app, haven't gotten any rain in 3 days. I need to water my container plants. Container plants that sit outside probably need to be watered about every 2 to 3 days to ensure that your plants don't die. Again, you can put in irrigation. Here we have some drip stakes. We have drip rings, and these plants we have to water by hand. So remember, we can't set that on a timer. We're gonna have to ask our neighbors to go by and water our plants. It's great to put it on a schedule if you know how long you're going to be gone. So ask your neighbors to go by and check the mail, and while they're there, ask them to water your container plants to keep them alive during the heat of the summer. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.